Step by step, where to be each day of rehearsal acting can be a very annoying business, and you can spend a lot of your time being angry with other people maybe, but most of all being annoyed with yourself, annoyed that you are not better. Relax, take it one step at a time. It is a conceit to imagine that you will come up with a complete finished performance the very first time you go through a role. The whole thing will come bit by bit, and so your job is to be where you should be bit by bit. Do not try to be at first night level at the first rehearsal, be where you should be at the end of that day. Use your anger at not being perfect, but temper it with the reality that your job is to be ready for when the cameras roll or for the opening night. Trying to be beyond where you should be at each rehearsal often means stopping the very process that will get you there. This is not to say that you should grow slowly from rehearsal to rehearsal, as it is imperative to do your basic work as quickly as possible and to give yourself time to polish things up at the end. The most common reaction of actors new to the industry is great surprise at how fast professional experienced actors work. They seem to get there so quickly. This is because they have discovered that comprehensive preparation gives them a good platform to work from, and they might already know their lines, even though this was not asked for. The first step must then be to do your homework and dig out stuff prior to rehearsals, even though in acting classes it has always been the rehearsal period when you did these things. Be aware that once you get into run-throughs, and then the inevitable technical and dress rehearsals, there will be no time to adjust a performance or explore a new avenue. All your major discoveries and decisions must be made in homework or in a rehearsal, and done early in the process, so when you move on to run-throughs of the play, you already have the foundations laid. Leaving problems or tricky moments to late in the day often means they are never really dealt with, as the actors must attend ever more complicated technical rehearsals to make sure the impressive scenery is working properly and the director's concept is coming across clearly.